I'm Mackenzie. This is an 86 K10 and we're over here at Lafontaine Classics in Milford, Michigan. This is our showroom where we house a couple of our choice vehicles. And today it's this new 86 3/4 ton 4x4. We got a V8, we got AC. Come in, we're gonna take a drive and a closer look in and around it today. All right, we're gonna take off and roll here. First impressions, this truck is very, very peppy. This thing gets off the line nice and good. The 3/4 ton, so of course it's got heavier duty suspension. I mentioned the dual shock absorbers up front. This truck is not fooling around. It's actually pretty damn smooth over these bumps. We're only doing about 15-20 miles an hour though, but so far I'm rather impressed. Steering, one hand on the wheel, no problem. This thing is smooth, it really is. All right, now we get our blinker on and flashing. That is all working how it's supposed to. All right, up to 45. This thing is driving really nice. Alright, doing about 55. Very smooth. Steering wheel isn't shaking. The brakes feel nice. It slows this truck down no problem. And just with a couple fingers on the wheel, you can do a turn at 40 miles an hour, just like that. Let's check out our AC. Well, that is good news, as your air is blowing cold. Lower motor works through the variable speed positions. Got kickdown cables working. From 55 to 65 in the blink of an eye. Before I show you what makes this baby tick, let's check out the grille and front end. Like, a lot of these components are new. Those headlights and their buckets totally look new. The grille, look at the paint matched right down the center. It's a cool touch on these. Bumpers look great. And if you look a little bit lower, we got some beefy looking tow hooks downstairs. Those look very capable. And now to get into things up here. Very nice engine compartment under here. So we got our big old 350, look at that air cleaner. We got our Harrison AC compressor, that looks like a factory piece there. Dual master with the power brake booster. This thing still has its original jack right up on top of the fender. Our blend box, our dryer. What else we got here? This 3/4 ton has dual front shocks. I can see poking through the frame rail. It's badass. Check out the underside of the hood. Got brand new hardware holding on our latch here. Springs back just how it's supposed to. And all of this paint on here looks awesome. I believe this truck was just repainted last year. I will point out any blemishes I find, but I really don't recall any. So we got new side markers on there. These wheel arch moldings look brand new, as do these tires. These are finalist. This is a real nice road going tire. You see we got our painted white steely with the hubcap, and then we've got our worn manual locking hubs. Very slick. You see our 20 letting us know this is a 3/4 ton in the Silverado trim level. Have these stainless mirrors, the added bright work included with that package. And this door is left open. Closes up very nice. Good fitment, very nice and even. Got the drip rail molding. Very slick. Looks like a new exhaust. Nice stainless turn down tip. Very slick chrome step bumper. Got a 2-inch receiver out back. Nice tailgate. Nice trim on the tailgate. Just a little bit of dust in here, but really slick job they did on this. Very firm, and there's new bump stops in here as well. And all of this looks like it is just replaced. Not only do we have dual exhaust on either side, we actually have dual tanks on either side. It's a pretty cool option. I kind of always like the joke, you can get to where you're going and not have to worry about your gas because you can always flip to the auxiliary. Good fitment over here. Again, every little shiny part you see on these old trucks usually was an upped option. Speaking of option and up, this one has a sliding rear glass, which is cool. Whew. Like new, seriously. Door cards, they're in beautiful shape. Everything is present. You see this one's got power locks. Nice window cranks, nice little door pocket there. Beautiful, beautiful brushed aluminum looking inlay here too, which I dig. Really nice bench seat. This looks like a fresh cover on here. Even the seat belts look brand new too. Very nice. And this truck has shoulder belts as well. And you peek behind here, we got a couple floor mats, and this one has the rear speakers from the factory. Cool option. This one had a lot of boxes checked. Check out that steering wheel there. I love the dual spoke steering wheels of this era. That horn button and wheel, I think, are brand new parts. They don't show anywhere. This is hooked up to the factory option tilt column, making this puppy a one size fits all, I like to believe. And if you look at our gauges there, this one's got a speedo going up to 80 miles per hour. We also have an inset of auxiliary gauges over to the left, showing you all our vitals, maybe even the time of day. And additionally, that odometer was just showing 18,000 miles. How about that? Now we've got the brushed aluminum inlay around our gauges. We have our vents and our factory AC controls right over here. And then just down below, we have a factory AM/FM with cassette deck. So that's slick. And then even the details like this. So clearly a new carpet kit, but we got brand new pedal covers all the way across too. The underside of the dash looks this good. You know someone had a good attention to detail. Our 4-wheel control has a nice lever here. Nothing is cracked down on the floor. This is a new boot. Cigarette lighter. We have an ashtray and a 12-volt socket. Have our multiple gas tank switcheroonie there. Everything like new, guys. And I'm going to show you the original owner's manual. It's very cool. And the SPID tag, that is the service part identification tag. This shows you it was apple red. It had the power door lock, the sliding rear window. I mean, the list goes on. This is a lot of option codes. I really like to see them, and it's crazy that this has stood the test of time. Hey everyone, thank you for making it to the end. I really had a good time showing you around this truck. If you want to know anything more about it, I should let you know it is for sale. The link to view the full listing on our website, this is where we put our whole photo gallery, the write-up, close-ups of any receipts, documentation, that SPID tag I was telling you a little bit about. Click the link below, and while you're over there clicking, like, subscribe if you enjoyed, and remember, you can call us anytime at 248-714-2000. 888-211-2110. Dial it up. We'd be happy to tell you more about the truck, the process, how we ship them, finance it, you name it. We're just looking to make dreams come true and help you have a little fun this summer. So check us out. Thank you guys for watching.